In this video, I'm going to solve a number of problems that deal with fixed payment loans or fully amortized mortgages. Example 1. A firm borrows $200,000 to buy capital equipment by getting a 10-year fixed payment fully amortized mortgage loan. The yearly payment on the loan is $29,137.19. What's the yield to maturity or the interest rate on this loan? We'll use the Excel command equals rate. And here are the things we want to input in this command: the number of periods, which is 10, the payment, which is this 29,000, and the loan amount, present value, 200,000. So if you were to input that into the command and put it into Excel, the yield to maturity or interest rate on this loan is 7.5%. Let's move to example 2. In example 2, we have a 15-year fixed payment loan with an interest rate of 5%. We want to solve for the annual fixed payment on this loan if borrowing $300,000. So we're going to use the Excel command payment. Okay, we're trying to find the payment here. So for the payment command, we need the rate, which is 5%, the number of periods, which is 15, and the amount being borrowed, $300,000. So putting the values into this formula and then into Excel, we will get an answer of $28,902.69. So that will be the annual payment that will be made 15 times each year for 15 years to pay off this $300,000 mortgage loan. Okay, moving on to the next example. A firm can afford an annual loan payment of $8,000 for 5 years. If interest rates on the loan equals 11%, how much can the firm borrow? So here we're going to try to solve for the amount of the loan that this firm can afford. So we're going to use a present value formula, which is going to be a function of the rate, the number of periods, and the payment. In this example, the interest rate on loans is 11%. This is going to be for 5 years, and the firm can afford to make an $8,000 yearly payment. Therefore, this person or this firm can get a loan value of almost $30,000. Just under $30,000 loan is the maximum loan that this firm can take out. All right, example 4. A person can afford a monthly, okay, here's our first time we're dealing with a monthly type payment of $600 for 7 years. If interest rates on fixed payment car loans are 2.9%, how much can this person borrow to buy a car? Here again, we're going to use the present value formula. The only thing we have to do is do a little bit of conversion here. I'm going to take this 2.9 or 0.29 and divide it by 12. The number of periods is going to be 7 years, but there's going to be 12 payments per year. So that's going to be just 7 times 12, and the payment will be $600. So inputting this information into Excel, this person can afford a loan of a little over $45,000. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.